Okay, this is the RK61 mechanical keyboard. So we've got no loops in this one, no spring adjustments, and it's just the stock Cherry MX Blue switches, which I haven't replaced. This RK61 retails about $60 on Amazon, so go ahead and check it out if you're planning to buy a mechanical keyboard for yourself. I got this new keycap switches from Amazon. It's Houdini, I don't know, it's a Chinese brand. Seems kinda legit. Here's a bit of time lapse while I'm doing and replacing all the keycaps. So we're gonna test it out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like. So I hope you enjoyed that clicky, tactile, ASMR sounds, whatever you call it. And I'll see you on the next video.